Welcome to our channel. Are you experiencing issues with CIT Bank online transfers and don't know where to start? Welcome to our channel. If you have been frustrated by problems when trying to complete an online transfer with CIT Bank, today's step-by-step guide will walk you through how to fix these issues in the simplest and most effective way. First, start by checking your internet connection. A stable, strong connection is essential for online banking to function properly. Move closer to your Wi-Fi source or switch to a trusted mobile network if necessary. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies or try accessing the CIT Bank online platform from a different browser or device. Sometimes outdated or corrupted data can cause errors during the transfer process. Then, verify that your CIT Bank app is updated to the latest version if you are using the mobile app. An outdated app can lead to functionality problems, including transfer failures. After that, confirm the recipient's account details very carefully. Inputting even a single wrong digit or letter can stop a transfer from going through. Double-check the account number, routing number, and any other requested information. If your details are correct but transfers still aren't working, try logging out of your account and logging back in. This action refreshes your session and may clear any temporary glitches. Another important step is to check your daily transfer limits with CIT Bank. Many banks impose restrictions on how much money you can send within a certain time frame. If your transfer exceeds these limits, it might be blocked automatically. Contact CIT Bank's customer service to inquire or increase your limit if needed. Additionally, ensure there are no holds or restrictions on your account, such as pending verifications or fraud alerts that can prevent transfers. Lastly, if all else fails, reach out directly to CIT Bank support. They can provide specific insights into why an online transfer is failing and guide you through any manual steps or fixes needed. By following these straightforward steps, you can swiftly diagnose and resolve most issues related to CIT Bank online transfers without stress or confusion. Remember that being patient and systematic will save you a lot of hassle. We hope this guide helps you transfer money securely and efficiently every time. Thank you for watching and supporting our channel. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video for more helpful tutorials and banking tips.